near a town called Baldry. Not Baldrick, Baldry. Okay, when this line comes, it's going to come rather quickly, and I can hear it rumbling quite a bit. Some nice low scud there. That scud's obviously forming on some sort of hill. The line is looking like it's splitting. So you've got a rather light looking piece there. Definitely the north side of this one is going better. Slacking CGs, which ironically are all down on that southwest corner, but that doesn't look very strong to me. Now we can't let it go too long before we got to head towards the northeast. Yep, definitely got a mare. This will be a tree fella. Just stopped raining for a minute, so let's give it another minute. Oh, it's gathering nasty, this one. Really nasty. Really nasty. Can't see a single bulb, but boy, can I hear them. It's just too tempting to sit here and watch it though. It's even starting to look better down there now. There's one. Getting a bit of a whale's mouth there. About 10 kilometres west of Yeovil. It's starting to look a bit weaker, but then again, it's gathering base in front. Race against the clock here. My guess is we're about 30 k's short of Dubbo. It's looking pretty nasty out there. So it's hard to know what's going on here. I need a bit of an outflow party. Some nice cloud motion there. We're just north of Dubbo. Only just barely running ahead of the cold outflow. And that's looking west. What's taken my interest is these little towers here. They're in nice clear air. Hey, got our more discreet storm here. It's jumped from 21 back in Dubbo to 31 degrees here. But it's already to our northeast, so we might have to do a bit of chasing. We're just 5 kilometres short of Gilgandra. Haven't seen one CG out of this, but surely it has to be active. It's in hot here in Gilgandra. A bit of a wind fest as well. There's something nice over the Warrumbungles. It's back building a bit, so I'm going to go for it. There is some junk out there, but 15 kilometres out of Barradine, which is north of Coonabarabran. A lot of rumbling going on, but I haven't seen one CG. You would think it would regale you with one CG at least. It's a funny old day. Nothing wants to form east of here. If you look east, it's just stability. However, we've got stuff to our west and southwest. About 40 k's east of Coonamble. It should be spitting CGs, but it isn't. They're just rain monsters. Probably about 15 k's east of Coonamble. Like, there's even a little bit of structure there. Torrential rain here in Coonamble. Okay, this might be the strong storm that we're looking for. There's a bit of greenage and bluage in there. Look how quick that cloud is moving. And it's green up there. It's a nice colour. Good look around here. Yep. There's the road. There it is. Some nice colour up there too. There's got to be something nasty in that. Surely. Just let this overtake us, because what we wanted to hear. Cars rocking. Okay, whoops. Look at the movement in those trees. That's what we wanted to hear.